Good day, I am Kyron Jan Arumin. We are fourth year psychology students from De La Salle University, Dasmariñas, conducting a research study titled Phenomenological Study and Interpersonal Communication among PvP couple gamers in Cavite. And here are our respondents.
Mari Yakas.
James again, yeah.
So, let's start. Question number 1. How do you and your partner communicate during gaming sessions?
So, mostly kasi, we're together, so we communicate in person.
Personally.
Question number 2. How does gaming together affect the way you communicate outside of gaming?
After game, usually,
Minsan kasi, kapag naglalaro kami, like, ibang-iba yung communication namin, like, as a couple, and yung communication namin
in-game.
in-game. Like, parang, pag sa game, parang kaming mag-tropa lang na we're free to express our feelings, yung gano'n. Pero kapag yung, syempre, kapag as in reality naman, di ba, parang careful ka sa mga sinasabi mo. So, ayun, minsan nakaka-affect siya since parang nadadala namin yung
Real life.
communication namin sa game, tapos yung communication namin like as a couple.
Question number 3. Can you describe a time when gaming led to a misunderstanding or conflict with your partner?
There's this time na parang magkasama kami naglalaro. So ginagawa ko parang may time na ginagawa ko yung best ko. Tapos parang sinasabi ko sa kanya na gawin mo naman yung best mo. Ganun. Tapos nag-lead din sa away namin dalawa. Hindi lang sa game, pati personally. Parang ilang minutes.
Nadadala namin.
Question number 4. In what ways do you and your partner collaborate or strategize during games?
So, yung parang strategy namin is parang we just do our best. Like, yung sa role, kung ano man yung role namin. Like, kunyari, if mid lane or gold lane, tinatry lang namin yung best namin. Ma-fulfill yung mga roles namin. And, especially kapag kunyari, duo lang kami, parang yung focus ko, tulungan siya dun sa lane niya since duo kami.
Question number 6. Question number 5. How do you express emotions to your partner while gaming?
While gaming, parang kunyari kapag wala na kami sa mood.
Pag nababad trip na, especially when we know na parang natatalo na kami. Parang feeling namin na natatalo na kami. Parang yung
Hindi na kami nagpapansinan.
the way na mag-usap kami in person, parang nagbabago na, parang nadadala na.
Question number 6. What role do online games play in maintaining or strengthening your relationship?
So, like, yung online game kasi, like yung Mobile Legends, parang bond namin siya, especially kapag bored kami. So, parang, yun yung parang bonding namin, one of our bonding. So,
Lalo na pag
parang,
wala kaming magawa.
so, parang, alam mo yun, imbis na like, kunyari magkasama kami, yung imbis na mag-scroll kami ng separately, naglalaro kami. Yeah.
Together.
Question number 7. How do you and your partner handle competitive moments in the game, especially when one wins or loses?
So, sa mga ganitong situation, pag nag-play kami together, kunyari, panalo, syempre, big achievement na yun sa amin as a couple kasi nagampanan namin yung mga objectives namin sa role namin, sa laning, gano'n. Kaya parang masaya kami syempre pag gano'n namin. So kapag lose naman, syempre sabihin namin sa isa't isa na game lang yan, wala tayong nawala. Na hindi dapat tayo mabati.
Question number 8. Do you find that gaming helps you better understand your partner's communication style or preferences?
Actually, yeah.
Yes.
Kasi, parang yung communication, like, may nalalaman ako na ganun palang personality niya. Na kapag kunyari napipikon, lumalabas siya. Na mostly kapag yung like, sa yung relationship namin, parang hindi naman ganun. So, may nalalaman ka about your partner and nagagamit mo siya para
Makilala lang.
makilala lang.
Question number 9. How does the gaming environment influence your interactions with your partner?
How does that influence? Parang siguro pag sa naglalaro kami dalawa, so yung kunyari ano lang siya, di ba, virtually, so parang ano to, pag in-game kami, syempre na-express namin yung gusto namin, yung, kung ano talaga kami or kung ano kami sa harap na ibang tao. Tapos as a partner naman, parang in real life, minsan na kakalimutan ko na nakakalimutan niya rin na wala kami sa game, nasa real world kami na hindi dapat yun. Pag-usap, yung interaction sa amin, minsan may impact sa amin dalawa.
So, it's both positive and negative.
Last, question number 10. What strategies do you and your partner use to manage conflict that arise during gaming sessions?
So, like yung sa sinabi niya na laging isa sa amin, kailangan ipa-remind na it's just a game. So, parang sobrang babaw kasi if papalakihin namin, like, oo, aminado kami na usually napapalaki namin yung bagay na yon, yung issue na yon, ng dahil lang sa game. Pero alam mo yun, parang namamanage namin siya. Like, magbababa lang ng pride. Like, you know, kung sino yung sobrang na bad trip or nakapagsabi ng harsh words, sila yung dapat yung magbaba ng pride, mag-admit ng mistake, humingi ng sorry. Yun, ganun lang namin na nakahandle yung mga conflicts namin.
That's all. Thank you.